A-Team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This is hot sauce. Let's get you started.
Cause I'm super hot, boy.
You're gonna need 20 chilies all up for this. I'm using 15 Cayenne and 5 Habanero along with 4 cloves of garlic. Chop your garlic up roughly. I'd advise wearing gloves while chopping your chilies, and chop them all up and throw them in a pan together. Add in half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of white vinegar and half a teaspoon of salt. Bring up to boil and let simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from the heat and add 1 cup of water, then blend till smooth. Strain through a sieve and you've got your chili sauce. I'll see you in the next one.
Hold on. Goddamn heart rate's about 130.